Hello class, I am excited to connect with you again, and this week we will learn together about training, talent management, and career development, another part of human resources that I am very passionate about. This week you will get a basic understanding of what are the steps to design effective training programs, from identifying the needs all the way to evaluating what has been implemented. You will get an idea of how important and relevant is training for people during the different stages of their career and the role that we play as human resources professionals on that. While we review succession planning, you will learn how to identify the steps that need to be taken to develop future leaders. And last but not least, you will have the opportunity to complete a group assignment to practice the skills and also to get the chance to interact more with some of your classmates. So let's get started. Competitive pressures require organizations to maintain appropriate skills, ideas, and knowledge in their employees. Talent management is concerned with identifying and developing key human resources for both the short and the long-term success of the organization. Training provides employees with specific skills and knowledge for use in their present and or future jobs, and it includes both hard and soft skills. Let me pause for a moment to let you think what could be some examples of those hard and soft skills. If you were thinking of things like typing, math, reading, software, programs, you were correct. Now, soft skills are less tangible, and some examples could be effective listening, engaging, emotional intelligence, business presence, etc. What do you think is one of the first lines that companies may cut when they need to save money? Yes, training definitely is one of those. So, how as human resources partners, we are offering a clear value to the training and development programs that we implement. We will definitely talk about that today as well. Now, what kind of activities do you think require training? Well, in general, things like safety, customer service, computer skills, harassment, communication, etc. are examples of things that require training in an organization. Pause again, and now think for a moment, what kind of training is offered at the organization where you work for this type of activities? So, why do we want to train people properly? What is the purpose? What are the benefits of training employees from your perspective? Yes, some of the benefits include enhancement of skills, reduces turnover, increases engagement and productivity, and of course it improves performance as well. Planning training requires looking at the big picture in which the training takes place, as well as specifics for the design of a particular training effort. Training is not always the solution. It is important to plan, analyze, and determine if training will have a direct impact on the issue or performance needs. Questions to consider include, is there really a need for the training, or can the issue be resolved in a different way? Who needs to be trained? Identifying the appropriate audience is key. Who will do the training? Is the person who has been identified equipped with the right skills to deliver the training? What form will the training take? Will it be online, instructor-led, on the job? How will the knowledge be transferred to the job? How will it be measured that the training is being used on the day-to-day job? And how will the training be evaluated to determine if it is working or not? And of course, today we will touch base on those different aspects. A common kind of training that requires planning is what we call orientation or onboarding. Why orientation is so important and critical? Well, an effective orientation process and program sets the tone for a successful journey. It provides a positive impression of the organization. It also accelerates socialization and familiarization with the job and the company, and ensures that performance and productivity happen from beginning. At Marriott, for example, same as at Disney, we don't let any employee to start working until they have completed successfully the orientation programs that we have in place. At Marriott Hotels, we have a 3-day orientation program, which is a branded experience that provides new hires with a high energy program to get to know the company culture, history, benefits, expectations, safety, and the brand as well. It all starts with a red carpet lineup welcome from leaders who will clap, smile, and congratulate our new hires for being selected. It really sets the tone and provides the warm welcome and the first impression of the type of company that we are. At Disney, new employees need to complete Traditions, also a very engaging program that onboards cast members with company culture, history, and provides the basics for a successful journey. Of course, Traditions cannot end without getting your new name tag from the one and only Mickey Mouse, a true branded experience. Before you continue with the next video, reflect on your most recent orientation or onboarding experience. So go to the discussion board and submit your initial post for discussion number 7. Once you are done submitting your initial post, you can play video 2 to continue.